I went to my local farmer's market and found these beautiful colored gourds and knew I needed to incorporate them into my fall decorating this year. I began by cutting a hole in the bottom using a serrated knife. I pulled out the cut part and cleaned the inside, removing the seeds and strings. I also bought smaller gourds and cleaned them. I cut a hole in the middle and then cut off the top of the gourd. The difference between a pumpkin and a gourd is a gourd has a neck. There are no seeds at the top or the neck of the gourd, so I used the serrated knife to cut away the insides. I drew a freehand design onto the skin of the outside of the gourd. Using different sized drill bits, I added holes along the lines that I had drawn. To stop the growth of mold and deter any pests, I added a cup of bleach to a gallon of water and allowed the gourds to soak about 10 minutes. Then I took them out of the water and allowed them to dry. After drilling holes in the larger gourds, I wanted to add something to the outside design. I used green craft paint, connecting the drill holes with a vine and some leaves. For the other large gourd, I wanted to try to stain it to give it an antique look. I applied stain with a cloth and then removed the excess. For safety, I used battery tea lights under each gourd lantern, which gave it a soft glow. I really enjoyed working with the gourds since I had never done that before, and making them into lanterns, then adding them to my fall decorating I think was a success. I hope this inspires you to add a few fall gourd lanterns to your home's decor this year. And don't forget to check back for my next video.